All right, so we're going to do three things today. We're going to do vocabulary cloze. We're going to do all right, synthesis and transformation and comprehension. Since there's just two of us, we'll take turns to do this, yeah? All right, vocabulary cloze. All right, let's look at the first one. I've already searched it twice. I protested, getting more agitated by the minute. Look again, Dad replied. When Dad was tense and firm, I knew he meant business. Ayush, can you do number one? What do you think agitated mean? Haley, do the answer as well. What do you think agitated mean?
Three.
Three. A, B, or C?
C.
Thank you. So the answer is?
C.
Thank you. The answer is C. All right. Thank you. Let me write it down. Haley, did you get C as well? All right. Next one, number two. Haley will answer. Ayush, you try it as well. What does tense mean? When Dad was tense and firm, I knew he meant business. In this context. Look again, he replied. He's not being demanding. He's not being reserved. What is he being? Haley?
Fierce.
Not fear. You want to try again?
Hurt.
Hurt. Ayush, what answer did you get?
I got C.
Reserved.
B.
No, it's not fierce, it's not reserved, it's not demanding. Give me 1 second. It is actually curt because Pierce has got this idea of him being upset and being a little bit more angry. So actually he's being curt. Curt means he's being short, all right? And his words are sharp. So the answer is D. All right, hang on. I don't know why my writing is coming out badly like that. All right, D. All right, next one, number three. Reluctantly, Ayush, your turn. But Haley, try this as well. Reluctantly. Ayush, come on.
B.
Haley, what answer did you get?
B.
Yes, reluctantly is unwillingly. You've got no idea why the handwriting is coming out this way. Never mind. I'll do it this way. All right, unwillingly. All right, number four, both of you all try. Super easy, right? Haley, what does distinctly mean? Ayush, try as well. Ayush, I know you're busy eating, but please pay attention. Sorry?
A.
Ayush?
Really? A.
Thank you. Distinctively, remember, A. Number five, I rummaged through the drawer, which was chock full of files and other knickknacks. Then I saw it, a small piece of blue plastic with my smiling face. How could I have been blind earlier? All right, rummage. Ayush?
C.
All right, I searched. All right, to rummage through something means to search. All right, so that was good. That was pretty easy. That was the vocabulary. All right, and what you can use, what you use, okay, so through the drawer, that means he's looking through, all right, and then he saw it. So immediately, you know, there's this idea of searching. So you use this thing called, starts with C, C-O-N. Anybody remember what is the word? Haley and Ayush, what is this word? Looking for what clues? C-O-N-T. Come on, guys.
Connectors.
No, contextual. This is the context. A context means a situation. So when you look at the situation and you look for clues, you're looking for contextual clues. Is that okay? Are you sure you're writing it down? So you must remember. What clues are these called? What clues are these called?
Contextual.
Yeah, make sure you remember it, yeah? All right, so next we're going to do synthesis and transformation. All right, we use the word unless is used when a condition must be met before an event can happen. It has the same meaning as if you do not. Unless you get A1, unless you get AL level, AL1 for English, you do not get ice cream. Okay, that's ridiculous, but you know what I mean? Unless it's a condition that must be met. Unless you finish your homework, you cannot play, you cannot watch YouTube. All right. So unless is used at the beginning of the sentence, add a comma. So if you use unless in the beginning, you need to add a comma, and unless has the same meaning as if you do not. Okay, got it? All right, let's try this. Farah has to focus, she will not fail the test. Can someone help me with this? How do you write this?
Farah will not, Farah will not fail the test unless she focus.
Farah will not fail the test unless she focus, or read properly again.
She will not fail the test unless she focus.
She will not fail unless she focus.
I mean, Farah has to focus unless she will fail.
No, wrong. Are you wrong? Wrong.
Farah will fail the test
Yeah.
unless she focus.
Farah will fail the test because unless has got this. All right, so it's not the not. Farah will fail the test unless. Oh, sorry. Unless. Haley, tell me the answer. Unless.
She focus.
Focuses. Get it? Are you getting it? Farah will fail the test unless she focuses. Let's try one more. The girl will get angry only when she gets disturbed. How do you do this? A lot of us say the girl will get angry unless she gets disturbed, which is wrong.
She will get this.
The girl will not get angry unless she gets disturbed.
Thank you. Very good. Fantastic answer, Haley. Are you trying? Are you trying?
The girl will not get angry unless she gets disturbed.
Wrong. The girl will not get angry unless she gets disturbed. Completely wrong. Are you try again? That's a very
the girl will not get angry unless she
will
gets
not.
disturbed.
Try again. Will not.
I mean, will get
Thank
angry
you.
unless
Girl will get angry unless. Ayush.
will get angry unless she gets
Disturbed.
this.
Okay, I'll give you an example, okay? You will get to watch YouTube only if you finish your homework. Okay, Ayush, try this. Haley, I know you got this already. Ayush, try this. You will get to watch YouTube only if you finish your homework. Ayush, how do I write this? With the word unless. How? Ayush. Ayush, I cannot hear you. Ayush, I cannot hear you, Ayush.
You will not get to watch YouTube unless you finish your homework.
Yeah, so what are you doing? You're using the get to and becoming not get to. Are you getting it? Just now the will get angry becomes, will not get angry becomes will get angry. Are you understand what I'm saying? Are you getting it? Okay, let's try example number 3. We must hurry, we will not miss the concert. Using the word unless.
We will not miss the concert unless we must hurry. We must hurry unless we will miss the concert.
We will miss the concert unless we hurry.
We will miss the concert.
Unless we hurry.
Thank you. Hang on, my pen is missing. Oh, okay, so. We will miss the concert unless we
Hurry.
hurry. Or unless we hurry, we will miss the concert. So two ways of saying, okay? We will miss the concert unless we hurry. Or another way to say it is, unless we hurry, we will miss the concert. Is both acceptable? Yes. Got it? All right, let's do number 4. The shoes would not be wet if they had not been left in the open. Give me an answer. Start with unless in the beginning. Unless forget about this in the end. Start with unless. Unless is a bit funny question. Unless the shoes
Unless they have not been left in the shoes have not been left in the open, they will not be wet.
yes, unless the shoes had not been left in the open, they would be wet. All right, this is not too bad. Sorry. All right, let's try one last one. Beekeepers wear protective gear. They will not be stung by bees. What is it? How do we do this?
Unless the beekeeper wear protective gear, they will be stung by bees.
Thank you, Haley. Correct. Fantastic answer. Now, Ayush, try it with unless in the middle. Beekeepers will be
Beekeepers wear protective gear unless they will be stung by the bees.
wrong. Beekeepers will be stung by the bees unless, Ayush, finish this for me. Ayush, finish this for me.
Stung by the bees unless they wear protective gear.
Unless they wear protective gear. Got it? Alrighty. Okay, now this is what I want you to do. I want you to individually, hang on. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've got 5 for y'all to do. Wait, hang on. No, I have more than 5. I have 5 for y'all to do. All right, let's do the 5 together. 6 done by both of you. Rome is visited by thousands of tourists yearly. Thousands of
Tourist visits yearly.
okay, is it C? It can't be C, right? So it's totally wrong. So which one would it be? Thousands of tourists visits or visited. Yearly is a continual thing, so can't use the word visitor. So this is wrong. So which one is it?